Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my InLoveArt guest design team haul. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this haul, I received a beautiful blooming background die, and this die, I really like this die. Not only does it remind me of poinsettias, but it reminds me of daisies, and it's just so pretty, you guys. And I plan on doing something super special with this, so I'm hoping that you stay tuned to see what I do with this beautiful die. The next thing we have is this super cute little lovely elephant stamp set, and oh my gosh, look at how big these stamps are, you guys. That is like the whole palm of my hand, and I cannot wait to design some little cards with this. So stinking cute. So there's two of them that have balloons. One has a little mouse right there in his little arm, and then this one, he's so cute, and then this one right here has a little heart. So oh my gosh, so stinking cute, you guys. So I can't wait to design with this. Then we have some flat back pearls, and these pearls I've gotten before, and I'm telling you, I love their pearls. If you have a chance to get some from their store, definitely get some. And they have a wide variety of colors, you guys. So I just love this color, and so I get them all the time. So those are really great to have. Then I got this beautiful little wreath, and this is a round leaf branch wreath, and I just thought this was so pretty. Not only can you use it for like spring, you know, put little flowers on it and stuff, and you know, you can also add your little stickles around it, but you can also form this into Christmas, you know, put your little berries on it and things like that. So super cute, you guys. I love that you can use a die many different ways. The other thing I got was this super cute gift box side border frame die, and I love this die. I think that it has a wide variety of uses, not only for Christmas, but for birthday cards as well. So I think that this is a great die to have. Also for, you know, mini albums, for pockets and your little envelopes or whatever you have. So stinking cute, right? So that is a great die to have. The other thing I got was a Christmas mistletoe and bell decor die. So this die has a lot of different little dies in it, and it has a bell, a little Christmas ball, some foliage here, a little snowflake. It has another little bell right here, and then a little ribbon and a little holly leaf. Super cute is that, right? Oh my gosh. And the last, we have these super cute little Christmas stickers. You get 46 pieces in this, and this is called Snowing Christmas Series stickers, okay? And it is Christmas, and I just love these because there are so many uses for these. Not only can you attach these to maybe your envelopes, right, when you're sending your Christmas cards, okay, but you can also use these as little Christmas balls. So if you have a little circle punch and you're gonna make little Christmas balls or something, you can put these on there, and so stinking cute. And yeah, you can put these on cards or whatever you would like, and they come in so many beautiful patterns, you guys. So many beautiful patterns. I know I dropped a couple. Look at that, how cute. A little Santa. This one has some snowmen in it. This one has, it says, Merry Christmas. So pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. That one's really pretty. That one. this one. And then they've got some square ones in here. One with a little snowman. You've got an ice or a little snow deer. So pretty, you guys. And like I said, you know, even if you get these now, you can definitely save these for Christmas time. Use them on cards. Use them on your envelopes. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. And oh, look at that one. It says believe. So pretty. Oh my gosh, that's pretty too. I keep finding them. I'm like, I want to show you guys all of them. It's so cute. And then there's some with words on here. I definitely want to show you that one. So there are some with that say Merry Christmas on most of these. So pretty, you guys. So we're going to be decorating some things with these and the rest of the stuff I got. So let's go ahead and get started with our first project. Okay, so we start off with our card by cutting out the wreath die, and this is the round leaf branch wreath. The paper that I used to cut out the wreath was the Holiday Glitz Glitter palette from Recollections, and it was a hot buy over at Michael's. So this paper is so pretty, y'all. Next, I'm just weeding out the pieces from the die, and this die cuts so well, y'all. I absolutely love it. It was so easy to take everything out. Okay, so for the card, I went ahead and cut out a piece of paper that is just your standard A2 card, which is 4.5 or 4.25 by 5.5. And then I went ahead and cut out a piece down about 1/4 inch from the base measurement of the card, and it is the silver piece of glitter paper that I used from the Recollections paper pad to cut out the wreath. So I went ahead and layered that on top of the white, and then my next layer on top of the silver glitter paper is from the Stamperia Blue Land collection, and I just went ahead and again cut that down about 1/4 inch from the silver paper. So for the background there, I just cut out one of the circles from the paper collection. It's so pretty, y'all. And it has like snowy rooftop houses and so pretty. I just love those little flowers there at the bottom part of that scene. And I layered that on top of the mat, and then I went ahead and grabbed my art glitter glue, circled around, and then just stuck the wreath on top of that. So I'm just laying down that wreath on top of the circle, and then I'm just going to go ahead and grab my little wipey and kind of blot around the wreath so that way I know it's stuck down really well. To embellish our card, we're going to go ahead and use the Tim Holtz Idea-ology white flowers, the bouquet, and I went ahead and just cut those down. Okay, y'all, so once I was done cutting down all of the flowers, I went ahead and glued them all the way around the wreath using my hot glue gun. Alright, so after I put the white flowers around the wreath, I decided to go ahead and add some more flowers, but this time I added some chalk on top of the white flowers, and I was using the blue that matched the paper. Along with the white flowers, and I think with the blue flowers together, it really made everything stand out a little bit more, and it gave it that really soft, wintry kind of look. Okay, you guys, so here is our finished card. And to finish it off, I went ahead and added some white twine that has like some silver running through it, and I added that up here on top, tied it in a bow, and then added another white and blue flower up here on top of the card. And I think that that looks so pretty. It's so wintry and God, just so gorgeous. So on the inside I just left it blank, you know, so I can go ahead and, you know, send this off to someone later. And I just think it's a really nice, you know, thinking of you card, or, you know, something like that. Happy birthday maybe, I don't know. So I just think it's really super cute. And so anyway, again, the two paper pads that I used for this is the Recollections Holiday Glitz and the Stamperia Blue Land. And then of course we used our beautiful round leaf branch die from InLoveArts Shop. So I will have the link down below for this, and thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye! Hey y'all, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for future notifications on all my videos.